We got some massive news for Netflix stock, Paramount Skydance stock, and Warner Brothers Discovery stock investors this morning on Monday, as Paramount Skydance went directly to shareholders with another offer aiming to acquire Warner Brothers acquisition. So I'll talk about the developments and what it could mean for investors in all three of these companies. So you probably all saw the news about Netflix agreeing to pay $72 billion or $27.75 a share for Warner Studio and HBO Max streaming business after the company split itself in two. That deal would be a cash and stock deal that was announced Friday. So this acquisition deal that Netflix made for Warner Brothers was under the impression that the company would split itself in two, and the parts that Netflix didn't want, it wasn't going to acquire. So it wasn't acquiring the whole company, it was just acquiring the parts of the company that it felt it wanted as strategic assets. So Paramount tried to warn Warner investors or lawyers in a letter last week that it believed the deal with Netflix wouldn't close because of regulatory roadblocks. However, I don't think Warner Brothers cares about that deal not going through, because this deal with Netflix, even if it doesn't go through, Warner Brothers would get a $5.8 billion breakup fee that's included in this agreement. So should the deal not fall through because of regulatory concerns, as we've already seen comments from President Donald Trump indicating that his administration is skeptical of this deal because of the large market share Netflix already has. And then with the acquisition of HBO Max and the Warner Brothers studio, it would really make Netflix an even bigger and even more powerful company. But Warner Brothers doesn't care, because even if it doesn't go through, they get $5.8 billion as part of the agreement in this arrangement that includes that clause. And these types of clauses are normal. The acquirer usually makes this as part of the deal. If it doesn't go through, the company being acquired gets a big fee, because they're having to go through significant due diligence and processing and all of these other things that are going along.
Click the link below to watch the full video.